Dear students, welcome to our online class. I hope all of you are well. After a long time, we return to teaching through this online platform. Alhamdulillah, we are going to attend first online class. I am MJ Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics. Um, in this situation, uh, please stay home and follow the rules. Inshallah, we will overcome this situation. Okay, let's go to today class. Today we want to discuss about your general mathematics, exercise 3.3, resolve into factors. Okay, go to our class. Okay, open your book. First question 3.3. First question, exercise 3.3, resolve into factors. 5 number question. At first you have to know the algebraic formula for this exercise. A minus b, very simple formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And second number, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And third, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And middle term. These are important for this exercise. You have to memorize it, then we can observe this question. 5 number question, a square minus b square x square minus y square 4abxy. We have to resolve this expression. Okay, at first you observe 4abxy. We can write it 2abxy plus 2abxy. And target, we want to apply this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a square plus x square plus 4ab, one portion is plus 2ab plus b square y square, and another remaining term minus a square y square minus b square x square, and second portion plus 2ab xy, and those term is and in this line ax whole square, you can write it, and by whole square. Let us consider this is a and this is b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, and middle term and this middle term is equal. So this line we can write ax, a plus b whole square, and in second portion taking common, taking minus 1 common, minus 1, then we can write ay whole square plus a plus and minus, then 2a 2b plus b square, and we can write it a minus b whole square. That means a square minus b square. Now we can apply the third formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then please take this is a and this is b. So a plus b plus b ay minus bx. A minus b, ax plus by minus b minus ay minus and minus plus bx. So this is our answer of this expression. Okay, we can observe the second question. Question number 7 of 3.3. Okay, we have to resolve into factor this expression. At first, a square plus 6a plus 8. At first you have to think about this expression, which formula you can apply. Okay, a square, you can write a square plus 6ab. Our target to apply this formula. How we can apply this formula in this line? This is our first thinking. Okay, so a square, we can write it a square. 6ab, we can write it 2 into a. For 6a, we have to write 3 because 3 and 2, multiplication 3 and 2 is equal to 6. So 6a, and 6a we can write it 2 into a into 3. So b is 3, b square. But 3 square is equal to 9, but you have 8. You have to minimize it. For the minimize, we have to discard minus 1. So 3 square minus 1, it will be plus 8. Okay. And remaining term minus y square plus 2y. Okay. In this line, we can apply the algebraic formula a plus b whole square. And taking common, minus 1 minus minus plus and minus is equal to minus 2y. So a plus b whole square, and we can write it y square, reorder this term, y square minus 2y plus 1, we can write it 1 square. So this also apply this formula a minus b whole square. So now we can apply a square minus b square. We can back in previous page where a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square minus b square. This is important. So we can apply a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A is a plus 3, b is y minus 1, and this a minus b. This is our answer. Okay. Another question, question number 8. 16x square minus 25y square and this. Okay. At first you think a square minus b square for the first two terms. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Just taking, you can take common 2z, then for last two terms 4x minus 5y, and we have got this line. Now in these lines 4x minus 5y, we can take this term as a common, 4x minus 5y. Then the remaining term is 4x plus 5y minus 2z. This is our answer of this expression. This is the factorized form of this expression. Okay. Now question number 12. A to the power 8 minus a to the power 4 minus 2. Okay. Reorder this line. Minus a to the power 4, we can write it minus 2a to the power 4 plus a to the power 4. If you can simplify this term, it will be minus a to the power 4. Just minus a to the power 4, we can write this process. After this process, we can take common first two term a4, then the remaining term a4 minus 2. A to the power 8 divided by a4, so is equal to a4. A to the power 4, then it will be minus 2. And another portion, you can take common, and this common portion is 1. So a to the power 4 minus 2. So a to the power minus 4 2, a to the power minus 4 2. We can write this, and a to the power 4 plus 1. So this is our answer, okay, of question number 12. Now, very important question, question number 17. Okay. At first you observe the expression a square plus 2a, a square plus 2a are equal. And we can replace this term by x. Then the given term is 3x square minus 22x plus 40 is equal to 0. So now this expression like as a middle term expression. We can analyze the middle term by this process. 22x. At first 3 and 40 multiply 120. How we can organize 120 by minus 22? So minus 12x minus 20. Multiply 12 and 10, it will be 120. Plus minus 12 minus 10, it will be minus 22. So middle term is okay. Just 3x, common 3x, then x minus 4. And common minus 10, then x minus 4. So x minus 4 into 3x minus 10. But x is not our variable in this expression. So x is equal to a square plus 2a minus 4. And x is equal to a square plus 2a minus 10. Just this term not change, and this term minus 3 square plus 6a minus 10. This is our answer of question number 17. This question is very important for your exam. Okay. Now another important question, question number 18. Very important question. A minus 1 x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1y square. At first, suppose a minus 1 is equal to m and a plus 1 is equal to n. So multiply above two terms, we can write a minus 1, a plus 1. Applying the formula of algebraic formula, a square minus b square, and multiply in right hand side mn by multiplying. So we can write a square is equal to mn plus 1. Now the given term, rewrite the given term by those expression. A minus 1 is equal to m x square, a square is equal to mn plus 1 xy, and ny square, that means a plus 1 replaced by ny square. So multiply the middle term mn xy and 1 into xy plus ny square. Consider the first two term, mx common term. So the remaining term is mx common term, remaining term is x, and remaining term is ny. And consider the last two, common y, and the remaining term x plus ny. Okay, x plus ny both are equal, x plus ny, the remaining mx plus y. Okay, then m is equal to a minus 1 into x plus y, and n is equal to a plus 1. Then multiply this term ax minus x plus y and ay plus y. This is the second term. So this is our answer of this question. Okay, again I want to say this is the important question. Both question number 17 and 18 is very important question. Okay, now today's homework is 3.3. Note it carefully, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15 and 14, and do these maths and submit your subject essay. That's all about today's class.